Hello, my name is Lilian. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be taking you guys through my updated egg treatment routine. So if you want to see that, keep watching. But first, before we go into the video, if you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you subscribe right now. Hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. So without any more talking, let's get into it. If you've been subscribed to my channel or you've been following me on Instagram like for a while now, then you know that I love eggs. Like there was a time that I used to use eggs on my hair every 3 months. Like that was the only thing I did. That was the only thing I used on my hair apart from shea butter. So like you're not new to eggs in my hair. But like recently I've not really done an egg treatment in a really long time. I think the last time I did one was last year, middle of last year or something like that. But I feel like it's time. I just miss like the effect that egg has on my hair, so I'm going to be doing it today, but I'm going to be doing a little bit different. So yeah, I'm going to be taking you through all what I'm going to do. So the first thing I do is wash my hair. I have here my spray bottle. You guys already know how I wash. I have my spray bottle and my Dudu Ocean black soap. This is what I used to wash my hair. So I'm just going to go straight into washing. So if you're new here, this is how I wash my hair. I first apply the shampoo on my hair, then go into the sink to rinse it out. So I'm dividing my hair into sections and I'll just be applying. This is what my hair looks like. I just took down my low bun. If you've not watched the tutorial, I'll leave it in the card so you can go and see how I achieved my sleek low bun. So I just took it out a few hours ago, so it's time to wash. So I'll just get that section wet. I always forget to cover up. Then when I get it wet, I go ahead and apply the soap on my hair. This is quite messy, so if I was not filming, I'll probably be doing this in the shower or something, but I'm filming. I want you guys to see what I do, so that's what I'm doing here. You don't have to do it in front of the camera. Well, nobody does in front of the camera anyway, so if you're not filming, so then don't forget your scalp. So I just gently use the soap to like scrub the scalp. Then I move on to the next section. So I'm applying the shampoo in a downward motion. This will just prevent my hair from tangling up. So even though I'm applying shampoo, it's like I'm detangling my hair, because I'm just like pulling it and like breaking off any tangle that I may have in my hair. I find that this just makes washing a lot easier. Yes, you're going to spend a little bit more time applying the shampoo on your hair, but at the end of the day, it's going to save you more time and stress because you're not going to have to detangle as much. I'm applying the soap all over my hair, so now I'm just going to go ahead and give myself a nice scalp massage so that I just break up any build-up that I may have on my scalp. But actually I'm doing this because it feels so good. All that breakup build-up that I'm saying is just for formality and just like to make it sound like it's doing something, but it's just because it feels so good. So I'm done washing my hair. I waited for a few minutes for the water to drain, so it's not like soaking wet, that it will not be dripping too much when I'm applying all what I want to apply. So now next step, I'm going to go ahead to do my egg treatment. Now I do a little bit different now. So I mix it with my DIY ginger and aloe vera mix. If you don't know how I make this and you want to see how I do it, you can click the iCard here. I'm going to leave it in the card so you can go ahead and check it out. So I have that, and I also have my egg. This is one large egg. So what I do is I take my Jamaican black castor oil, the Cruiser Jamaican black castor oil, the coconut flavored one, and then I just add a few drops to the egg. This is mainly just to mask the smell of the eggs because I don't want my hair smelling like eggs. So this has a like coconutty smell, so it helps to mask the smell of the eggs, and I just go ahead and whisk the egg. So it should look something like this, whitish. Then I go ahead and pour it into my spray bottle. Now make sure that your mixture, that's your ginger aloe vera mix, is cold, because if it's hot it's going to cook the eggs and you're going to end up having particles of eggs in your hair that will be very difficult for you to rinse out. So have that in mind. Now you can do the egg treatment alone, then follow up with your deep conditioner or like your ginger aloe vera mix afterwards. But I just want to shorten that step of doing like two things instead of like, so this way I'm doing both at the same time. And so it should look something like this. I'm going to go ahead and cover this and shake it. So after shaking it, it should look really smoky. So this is what it looks like. It looks like milk and it doesn't smell bad. So now I'm going to go ahead and apply that on my hair. Now I know that that's going to be very messy, and I have my bed behind me. I don't want to have like stains all over, so I'm going to go and do this in the shower, and then I'll leave it in for about 30 minutes, rinse it off, and then I'll come back to show you guys the result. I'm basically not doing anything special. I'll just be like taking my hair section by section and spraying it into it like this. Let me just show you guys, like just spraying it all over my hair from roots to ends, just the way I normally spray the ginger aloe vera mix. I'll leave that video in the card so you can watch that. So that's basically all I'm going to be doing. I'll come back to show you guys the result. So I'm done rinsing out the eggs from my hair, and this is what my hair looks like. I've totally forgotten like how great this makes my hair feel. Like my hair feels strengthened. You will not understand what I'm saying until you use eggs in your hair. Like it just feels, it's not like it's hard or anything, but it feels like stronger than how it used to be. And I feel like it has a lot more bounce than it was like when I used to use just the ginger aloe vera. So I like to do this egg treatment once in a while. I used to have a routine for it, like I said before, like every 2 months, but now I just do it whenever I feel like it's time. I've not done it for a while. I just do that. So I didn't use everything because it was just too much and I don't want it dripping down my face, so this is how much I have left. So I could not use everything. So now I'm just going to go ahead and style my hair. That will be what my hairstyle will be in my next video. So that brings us to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.